Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn how Agentic AI is shaking up the software testing industry, especially in India's massive IT sector. If you are a software tester or a QA professional or just curious about how you can use Agentic AI in your day-to-day job, stick around. This is for you. Let us start with some context. India has over 3,75,000 people working in software testing and quality assurance roles. The sector's growth has been pretty stagnant over the years. Yes, you heard that right. Not much momentum and too many traditional roles stuck in a manual loop. And now something even more disruptive has entered the scene. Agentic AI. We all know it's a new breed of AI. Autonomous, intelligent, and capable of completing tasks without human help. In software testing, this means AI agents can now write test cases, run them, analyze outcomes, and even improve the process over the time. Let us break down what Agentic AI is doing to transform quality assurance. Number one, it can autonomously generate and execute test cases for us. Number two, it will boost the test coverage by finding untested paths and risks. And number three, it integrates with your CI/CD pipelines for real-time feedback. And number four, it learns from failures to prioritize what really matters. The end result? Faster releases, smarter testing, and better quality software. Now, here is the reality. With automation taking over repetitive QA tasks, many manual testing roles are under threat. We are not just talking about a future problem, this is actually happening right now. If we do not evolve, we risk being replaced. Yes, that is the harsh truth that we are facing. But there is a good news too. Agentic AI opens the door to new highly valued roles that humans are still best suited for. For example, some positions like strategic test planners, where we design testing approaches beyond the automation, and user experience testers, who will ensure the human side of the quality, complex scenario investigators who will catch what AI might miss. So, these kind of roles blend human judgment with technical insight. Always remember, a person who knows AI is always better than who doesn't know it. So, if you are in QA or testing, here is what you should do right now. Upskill. Number one, upskill. Learn AI basics and automation tools that you can leverage in your day-to-day activities. And number two, stay updated with the following trends and new testing technologies that are happening in the tech industry. And number three, think strategically. Solve problems that AI alone cannot do. So, a human intervention is definitely required. And number five, shift your mindset. Move from repetitive execution to creative analysis. This is not the end of the QA jobs, it is the evolution of the QA jobs. So, Agentic AI is here. We are not going to do anything about that. Even we cannot change it. It is changing how we build, test, and deliver the software solutions. If you want to stay ahead, embrace this change, evolve your skills, and step into the future. What do you think about Agentic AI in testing? So, do you think is it a threat or an opportunity for humanity, for testers especially, for QA testers? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.